When it comes to dash cams, bigger isn't always better, is it? No, absolutely not. And we're going to prove that with the help of the Botslab G300H Pro. This is a dash cam with 4K front vision, 1080p rear vision. It is sleek, it is easy to use, it doesn't take up a lot of room in your windshield, and it's going to save you and your family in case there's an accident. This is what you get in this very nice presentation. The box is beautiful. Here is your dash camera. Look at that. Look how sleek. It doesn't take up a lot of room in your windshield. I have tested cameras that were so big, I really couldn't see past them very far at all. And look, you can rotate this up and down so you get the perfect view. Once you get it affixed to the windshield, you can move this around and get exactly what you want to see right here. 170 degrees of view right there. So it's going to go all the way to the left and all the way to the right. This is your rear camera right here. This is 1080p. Front camera is 4K. You get a super long cord. This is a wagon. Okay, so this is longer, and it's going to take more wire to reach the back than you will need in other cars. So I have plenty of cord here to run this from the rear of the car all the way up to the dash cam. I get these ESD, the little clingy stickers that you can put on the windshield to hold this, and when it's time to remove it, you pull this off and there's not a trace left on your windshield at all. This is your power cord. It's going to run from the dash cam all the way down to your power point right here, which they do give you. And you get a very nice little install tool, which is nice. And perhaps most importantly, they give you a micro SSD card. This is a 64 gig card. This is where all of your information is going to be saved. This is what you're going to want to use should you be in an accident and you have recorded something to prove your case. When it comes to installing this in your car, I just like to sit in the driver's seat and kind of move it around and to figure out where I'm going to best be able to see the screen. Look how sleek and how small this is. I think it's a beautiful dash camera. And for me, in this car right here, I've decided to go right next to my Pike Pass. So I'm going to put this about right there. I'm still going to be able to see it. It's not in my line of sight. It's not going to cover anything up. And I still have room to run the power cord here and then down the A-pillar and then into the cigarette lighter or the charge port right there. So I need to get my static clean. That's what I call these little things right here. These little ESD stickers. I've cleaned the windshield already. So all you have to do is open this up just like this. And I'm going to put this right about there. And it's going to disappear because it's clear. Okay, this is super, super, super easy to do. Even if you're older and you've never installed anything, you've never built anything from, IKEA, you can do this. It is simple to use. Then you remove the sticker right here, this little protective piece of plastic. You already have the sticky part right there, and there's a great big square so you can install this. It shows you exactly where you need to go. Hold it up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all there is. She is affixed. She is ready to work. I can take this off, this little plastic protector right there, the screen. It's going to be fantastic. Now I just run my cords up here, underneath this trim piece, down through here, right here, and then I can route it kind of down through here and come out where I want to charge it. Super simple. Camera is installed. I have my micro SD card right here, and it's going to go just right on the top, right there. Okay, just quick little push, and it's installed. We're good to go. This port right here is for the rear camera. That's what she looks like from the front right there. The first thing you do is you go through and you can set it in English. It comes in English. It comes in miles per hour. Tell it what time zone you're actually in. I'm here in the Chicago Central Standard Time Zone. So you go through, you do that, then you format the SD card and you're good to go. And look how clear that picture is. I'm sorry that the garage is such a hot mess. But anyway, look at the picture. Look at how nice. And the unit itself is small. It does not take up a lot of window space. And to me, that's fantastic. Now, I do want to check out the rear camera. So let me show you how to do that. So I've adjusted this to the rear camera, and you want to make sure you get this on the right angle, because if I go like this, it's going to be upside down. So you want to adjust it where it looks like that. So everything is right side up. No, it needs to be this way. Come on, Mike. This is how it goes, just like that. See the good looking guy in the, see the good looking guy in the camera right there? That's me. Yeah, that's me. This is how you want it to attach to the rear window. So remember, as you're looking at it, the camera goes off to the left. So let me put this on the back of the car, and then we are ready for our test drive. This is a 170 degree viewing angle. This is 150. degree viewing angle. Both are super wide. This is 4K video, this is 1080p video, and they have the very useful software to enhance the night driving. Okay, I'll tell you more about that coming up in just a minute, but there's a special technology that not all cameras use, and it really helps. So here you go, here's the rear camera attached. I left a little room because, you know, when you close the door and everything, you need to have wire for it to open and close. And then I've just kind of run it across the top right there. This is just temporary so I can get the video out. I'll do a permanent install when I'm ready to. But then as you close the hatch right here, see, so I do need to adjust it. So once again, thank goodness you can adjust it and it will rotate all the way down, all the way back up. So let's go down, see what that looks like. See how we're doing. See, that's gonna be about perfect right there. I like that a lot. And then here's the view from the rear camera. Once again, 1080p on the rear, 4K on the front. Now that we have the camera installed, let's go ahead and do some driving. I'm going to give you some examples of daytime driving and nighttime driving. The video is going to be super duper clear. Once again, this has the Sony Starvis 2 technology. This is special technology that really makes video ultra clear. You can tell a difference. If it does not have Sony Starvis 2, I would pass up that dash cam. I really would. It makes a humongous difference. And you know, if you have to go to court and if you have to show your video, you want it to be as clear as can be so the other person's attorney can come back and say, I really can't read the license plate, or I really can't read that stop sign. You want to have the best defense that you can. And that's the ultimate goal right here now, isn't there? You want to protect yourself just in case there is an accident. So with this on the screen right here, I really like it. It's got the time, it's got the date and everything else. And if I say take photo, do you hear that? It just took a picture. I also want to show you just how little room it takes up on the actual windshield. Here you go. I think this is perfect positioning. Okay, it's not a big bulky dash cam. It's very slim. It's got a great picture right there, and you can actually adjust. See how it goes from side to side? You can adjust the lens so you get to, you know, you can get whatever you want to. You can include the top part of your hood if you have a little emblem like my little star right there. If you want that to be included in the video, you can move the camera lens down a little bit, or you can raise it up so you can see more off into the distance a little bit. But yeah, this is nice. Let me show you just how stunningly clear the video is. This is from the 4K camera, and you can see clearly every detail. Every sign, every license plate is easy to read, plus the 170-degree wide-angle lens enhances your driving safety by expanding your view. In fact, if I stop this footage right here, I can zoom in on the license plate and it's clearly visible. Now remember, I'm not at a stop. This is footage of me driving, so there's all kinds of things going on in the video, but still, the 4K camera is able to give me an amazing picture of the plate. And the video from the 1080p camera in the back of my vehicle is equally clear, showing everything that's happening behind me. The rear camera has 150-degree wide-angle lens, once again capturing everything in stunning detail. Now to some nighttime video, and this is where the Starvis 2 technology really pays off. This sensor excels in low light situations and provides vivid, true-to-life colors, capturing every frame in ultra-sharp detail. Once again, road signs and license plates are very easy to read. And downloading the video to your phone is super easy. Just install the app, connect to the camera, and then choose the clips you want to download. It's easy, it's fast, it's wireless, and it's 100% proof of what actually happened if you're involved in a traffic accident. So we're home now, and I gotta tell you, I love this thing, I really do. It just takes up so little room on the windshield right here. The screen is super duper clear. All the information that you need is right there, and transferring it to your phone is super duper fast. Once again, you get everything you need. You get the 64 gig mini SSD card. You get all kinds of goodies. You get a little tool to help you push the wires up underneath your trim, and it is so easy to protect yourself and your family. I don't know why everybody does not have one of these things. I really think that this is a good unit. And when I tell you the price, you're gonna drop dead, okay? You can get this right now for less than 80 bucks. And I have tested countless dash cams. This is probably my, I don't know, 9th or 10th dash cam review. And some of those things are very expensive. They can go up into $500, $600, $700. For less than 80 bucks, you're protecting your family, you're protecting your vehicle, and you're protecting your bank account. I love it. I don't think you can go wrong with one of these things. I really don't. So please, if you want to get some more information about this, we're going to have it all for you in the description box below. Once again, this is the Botslab G300H Plus, 4K in the front, 1080p in the back, everything you need included in the box, and it is so very simple to use. Even a grandmother or a grandfather can put it in their car, use it, and keep themselves very, very safe. All right. So please go use the link below in the box. Go check it out. And if you want to give these for a, a holiday gift, a birthday gift, something like that, perfect. Like they say, chef's kiss. It is. It's absolutely perfect. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. Okay. Bye-bye.